Engineers design machines and critical infrastructure. For example, civil engineers serve society by designing the built environment and managing the natural environment. They plan, design, and construct civil works such as highways, water and wastewater systems, tunnels, dams, buildings, and bridges. These things can have significant impact on the health and safety of the public. Engineering ethics concerns itself with the conduct of engineers and the things they produce. There are many ethics bodies in the field of engineering. Each one might concern itself with different disciplines of engineering, such as aerospace engineering, agriculture engineering, biochemical engineering, or computer hardware engineering. These are just some examples. And some organizations are more broad in scope. Others implement standards or regulations that must be followed in certain jurisdictions. Each professional organization has its own code of ethics, but the principles tend to be universal. Here's an example of the fundamental canons of the National Society of Professional Engineers. Hold paramount the safety, health, and welfare of the public. Perform services only in your area of competence. Issue public statements in an objective and truthful manner. Act for each employer or client as faithful agents or trustees. Avoid deception, and conduct yourself honorably, responsibly, ethically, and lawfully to enhance the honor, reputation, and usefulness of the profession. Engineers face issues related to ethics all the time. For instance, they may be encouraged to cut corners to save money. In doing so, it may lead to the greater potential for harm. A tragic example of this is the 1940 Tacoma Narrows Bridge. This was the suspension bridge in the U.S. state of Washington that spanned the Tacoma Narrows Strait of Puget Sound between Tacoma and the Kitsap Peninsula. It opened to traffic on July 1, 1940, and on November 7th of the same year, dramatically collapsed. Some solutions to ethical engineering problems are difficult, and remember, one solution may not be more or less ethical than another. Ethicists in the field of engineering seek to address these issues in order to minimize harm.